Technical analysis is a vital tool for Forex traders. It helps them make informed decisions based on past market data. Unlike fundamental analysis, which looks at economic factors, technical analysis focuses on price movements and patterns. By studying charts and data, traders can identify trends and predict future movements. This can lead to profitable trades and better risk management. Understanding technical analysis empowers traders. This essay will guide you through the basics, covering key concepts and tools every Forex trader should know. Trends are the foundation of technical analysis. A trend is the general direction in which a market is moving. There are three types of trends: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend. Support and resistance levels are crucial in identifying trends. Support is a price level, where a downtrend can pause due to buying interest. Resistance is a price level where an uptrend can pause due to selling interest. These levels act as barriers that prices often struggle to move beyond. Traders use support and resistance to make trading decisions. Identifying these levels requires practice and a good understanding of chart patterns. Understanding these concepts helps traders make better decisions. By mastering trends, support, and resistance, you lay a strong foundation for technical analysis. Candlestick patterns are essential in technical analysis. They provide insights into market sentiment and potential price movements. Each candlestick shows the opening, closing, high and low prices for a specific period. The body of the candlestick represents the range between the opening and closing prices. The wicks, or shadows, show the high and low prices. There are various candlestick patterns, each signaling different market conditions. For example, a doji indicates indecision in the market. A hammer suggests a potential reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. Traders use these patterns to predict future price movements. By recognizing patterns, traders can make informed decisions. Candlestick patterns provide valuable information about market trends. Mastering candlestick patterns can significantly improve your trading skills. Section 4. The role of moving averages. Moving averages, or MAs, are vital tools in technical analysis. They help smooth out price data to identify trends. There are two main types: simple moving average, or SMA, and exponential moving average, or EMA. SMA calculates the average price over a specific period. EMA gives more weight to recent prices, making it more responsive to new data. MAs help traders identify trend direction. For example, if the price is above the MA, it indicates an uptrend. If the price is below the MA, it indicates a downtrend. Traders also use MAs to identify support and resistance levels. A common strategy is the moving average crossover. Moving averages are also used in conjunction with other indicators. Mastering MAs is crucial for effective technical analysis. Section 5. Essential indicators RSI and MACD. Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, are popular indicators in technical analysis. RSI measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100. An RSI above 70 indicates overbought conditions. Below 30 indicates oversold conditions. Traders use RSI to identify potential reversal points. MACD shows the relationship between two moving averages. It consists of the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it generates a buy signal. When it crosses below, it generates a sell signal. Combining these indicators can provide stronger signals. Understanding RSI and MACD is crucial for technical analysis. Section 6. Practical tips for new traders. Starting with technical analysis can be overwhelming. Here are some practical tips for new traders. First, start with the basics. Learn to identify trends, support, and resistance. Practice analyzing charts regularly. Use a demo account to apply technical analysis without risking real money. Keep a trading journal to track your progress. Stay updated with market news. Be patient and disciplined. Technical analysis takes time to master. With practice and patience, you can become a successful Forex trader. Section 7. Conclusion and encouragement. In conclusion, technical analysis is essential for Forex trading. It helps traders make informed decisions based on past market data. Key concepts like trends, support, and resistance are the foundation. Candlestick patterns, moving averages, and indicators like RSI and MACD are valuable tools. For new traders, starting with technical analysis can be challenging. However, with practice and patience, it becomes easier. Use demo accounts to practice without risk. Continue learning and practicing. With dedication, you can become a successful Forex trader. Happy trading!